This is the first time that I've actually heard Ed speak, and the impact in the room, that he just says things in such a human way and makes you really understand yourself. Everyone is absolutely captivated, motivated, and I think this is going to be part of more work and wider discussions.
Having Ed involved in days like today, the energy that he brings really brings everyone up. I think each and every person, wherever they were at on their journey, could really resonate with what Ed was saying. The methods that he used, it gives the team the opportunity to have some reflection time and really think about how they can integrate that into their everyday lives. I think having Ed involved in days like today just bring everything to life on a personal level.
Ed's session was really useful because as a group of heads we don't often come together to think about ourselves, and it's a good time just to be back in the room to remember the reason we went into leadership in the first place.
I thought Ed's session was really fascinating. I think thinking about how we put our teams together and how we do that really intentionally, how we have to be so careful not to just look through our own lens, really made us think.
We've had a fantastic session with Ed, being able to unpack the tools and techniques to have really positive conversations. I think is going to be really helpful for all our HODs and senior leadership team.